If you're looking for an easy care, tropical look for your landscape, try cassia. This is also known as candlestick plant or candelabra. It'll add a tropical look to your landscape. This plant gets pretty tall and has beautiful yellow blooms in fall, so it adds some fall color to your landscape. These beautiful compound leaves are so tropical looking. You can see the holes here because this is a host plant for the sulfur caterpillar. That's what's caused this damage here on the leaf. Now, this doesn't really affect the plant, just causes some holes and won't really do any real damage. This plant is such an easy care, tropical, so it will die back in the winter time, but in protected areas, it will come back year after year. It'll take about the spring and into the summer for everything to flush back out and to get some height on this plant. And then by the fall, you'll see these beautiful yellow blooms that attract butterflies and other pollinators to your garden. Now, it looks good paired with things like palm trees to give it that tropical look, maybe around your swimming pool. Beautiful yellow flowers in the fall, easily propagated by seed. You can see these seed pods here. You'll get lots of volunteers. Not a lot of fertilizer requirements, not too many pests, just a good, easy care, tropical plant that will die back in the winter and come back year-round in Louisiana. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.